Have you ever walked into a senior's home and immediately felt a sense of calm and order? It goes beyond spotless floors or neatly arranged furniture. It's about daily habits that cultivate cleanliness, organization, and peace of mind. Seniors often develop these habits over years of experience, and they serve as the foundation for homes that feel warm, inviting, and perpetually fresh. Let's explore the key practices that contribute to this lifestyle and how you can incorporate them into your own routine. The power of tidying up before bed. One common habit among seniors with consistently clean homes is tidying up before going to bed. This doesn't mean an exhaustive cleaning session every night, but rather dedicating 10 to 15 minutes to restore order. Tasks like washing dishes, straightening sofa cushions, and taking out the trash ensure they wake up to a clean and organized space. Starting the day with a tidy home provides peace of mind and sets a productive tone for the morning. One senior shared her ritual of lighting a calming candle and clearing the entryway to maintain a welcoming environment for early visitors. Clean as you go. A proactive approach instead of allowing messes to accumulate. Many seniors practice the habit of cleaning as they go. This proactive approach means wiping counters after use, putting items back in their place, and never leaving a room empty-handed if something belongs elsewhere. In the kitchen, dishes are rinsed and loaded into the dishwasher immediately after meals, while in the bathroom, a quick wipe of the sink and mirror after brushing teeth prevents grime buildup. By addressing messes in the moment, they avoid the stress of overwhelming cleaning sessions later. Declutter continuously. For simplicity, seniors with clean homes have mastered the art of decluttering. They're constantly evaluating their belongings, asking, "Do I still need this? Or, does this bring me joy?" Decluttering doesn't have to be a monumental task. Instead, they tackle one drawer or corner at a time, making it an ongoing, stress-free process. One senior highlighted her use of the one in, one out rule. For every new item brought into the home, an old one is donated or discarded. Keeping a donation box handy allows them to immediately remove items that no longer serve a purpose. Focus on high-traffic areas. A clean home doesn't mean every corner is spotless at all times. Seniors prioritize high-traffic areas like kitchen counters, living room floors, and bathrooms. These spaces receive daily or even multiple cleaning sessions to maintain a sense of order. Kitchen counters are wiped after every meal, and the living room is tidied before bedtime. Bathrooms get daily attention, such as a quick swish of the toilet brush and a wipe of the sink. Focusing on these areas creates the impression of an entirely clean home without requiring hours of effort. Establishing a morning routine. Starting the day on a productive note helps seniors maintain their clean homes. Morning routines often include small tasks like making the bed, airing out rooms by opening windows, and unloading the dishwasher. These activities create a sense of accomplishment early in the day. For example, making the bed instantly makes the bedroom feel neater, while airing out rooms brings in fresh air and reduces stale odors. One senior shared her ritual of sipping coffee while putting away lingering clutter from the previous night, turning a chore into a peaceful moment. Embracing smart storage solutions. A clutter-free home often relies on effective storage solutions. Seniors with clean homes invest in baskets, bins, and shelves that make it easy to keep things organized and out of sight. Labeled storage containers ensure items are easy to find, while multi-purpose furniture like ottomans with hidden compartments or beds with drawers underneath maximize space. Clear plastic bins in the pantry keep everything visible and orderly. By using these tools, seniors reduce clutter and save time during daily tasks. Breaking tasks into manageable chunks rather than dedicating an entire day to cleaning, seniors break tasks into smaller, manageable pieces. They might vacuum one day, dust the next, and clean windows later in the week. This approach prevents cleaning from feeling overwhelming and keeps the home consistently tidy. One senior shared her method of setting a 15-minute timer to tackle small cleaning tasks. Once the timer ends, she decides whether to continue or stop. This strategy ensures cleaning remains stress-free and sustainable. Keeping cleaning supplies accessible. Accessibility is key to maintaining a clean home. Seniors often keep cleaning supplies in areas where they are most needed. A microfiber cloth and multi-surface cleaner stored in each bathroom make it easy to tackle spills or smudges on the spot. In the kitchen, supplies kept under the sink allow for quick access to clean counters or mop up spills. One senior mentioned her grab-and-go cleaning caddy, which she uses for more extensive cleaning sessions. This convenience encourages consistent cleaning habits. Inviting nature indoors. Adding plants or fresh flowers to the home not only enhances its appearance but also contributes to a cleaner and fresher atmosphere. Low-maintenance plants like succulents or peace lilies improve air quality, while fresh flowers brighten up spaces like dining tables or kitchen counters. One senior shared her routine of clipping blooms from her garden weekly, adding a touch of nature and joy to her home. Even a small herb garden on a windowsill can make a space feel more alive and inviting. Viewing cleaning as self-care. For many seniors, maintaining a clean home is about more than aesthetics. Cleaning is seen as a form of self-care and a way to express gratitude for their space. It brings a sense of accomplishment, joy, and peace of mind. One senior reflected on how nightly kitchen cleaning reminds her of the love and care her mother put into family meals. Viewing cleaning as a meaningful activity rather than a chore transforms it into a fulfilling and uplifting experience. Seasonal deep cleaning and maintenance. While daily habits keep homes tidy, seniors also embrace seasonal cleaning to refresh their spaces. Tasks like flipping mattresses, deep cleaning carpets, or washing curtains ensure that no area is overlooked. Seasonal maintenance prevents long-term grime buildup and provides an opportunity to reassess and organize belongings. For instance, one senior shared her spring ritual of thoroughly cleaning windows and screens to let in more natural light. Another inspects and organizes her wardrobe seasonally to prepare for changing weather. These periodic habits complement daily routines and keep homes in top condition. Creating designated zones for activities. Seniors with clean homes often designate specific areas for different activities, such as reading, crafting, or exercising. These zones remain organized and clutter-free, ensuring they're functional and inviting. A crafting corner might feature labeled bins for supplies, while a reading nook includes a side table and neatly stacked books. One senior shared how keeping an exercise mat set up in her wellness zone motivates her to stay active without disrupting the rest of her home. Clear zones make it easier to transition between activities while maintaining order. Making cleaning enjoyable. Cleaning doesn't have to feel like a chore. Many seniors find ways to make it enjoyable, such as listening to audiobooks, playing music, or even inviting friends to declutter together. One senior shared how she hosts quarterly decluttering sessions with friends, turning it into a social event over coffee. Another dances through her cleaning routine with her favorite playlist. By pairing cleaning with something enjoyable, the process becomes more rewarding and less tedious. Conclusion: maintaining a clean home is less about perfection and more about consistent habits. Seniors who prioritize cleanliness and organization have cultivated routines that bring peace, joy, and functionality to their spaces. By adopting practices like tidying up before bed, cleaning as you go, decluttering continuously, and embracing seasonal maintenance, you too can create a home that radiates warmth and care. Remember, it's not about doing it all at once. Small daily actions can lead to big results over time.